is gonna be a day in my life. I'm getting my hair done. I got my lashes done Monday. Y'all see them real cute. I need to like comb them out because I literally just came out the shower. I'm catching a 9 o'clock because I have a 10 a.m. appointment to get my hair done. So I decided to like, vlog for today because I don't have anything else going on this week that I'm guaranteed is gonna happen. So I was like, okay, might as well I pick up my camera and tell you guys exactly what's going on for the day. I'm probably gonna get my hair done, go get something to eat, just jewelry shop a little bit, or just window shop probably. But I just want to take y'all with me and see what the hell I get into later on today. But yeah, welcome to the day in the life with your girl. Trying to walk to my appointment. It chooses to rain. Of course it chooses to rain when I have an appointment. All it's raining, like, look at what I'm wearing. I have no umbrella.
Even if my name was Natalie Nunny, bitches still couldn't check me, 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 check me,
It's nighttime. This vlog was terrible because I barely vlogged today, but we got so. Yeah. Get a lot of this one. Get a lot of this guy.
Six and a half hours later. A few inches later. Day 2, day 3, day 4. A few moments later. 1 eternity later.
Guys, so it is literally 9 something in the morning and I am up about to run some errands. I decided to vlog this week because I'll be going to St. Thomas for work like 3 times this week. I probably won't drop this vlog until like coming next week because I can't show y'all exactly what's going on at my job because it's like a pre-seed to something, but I could basically take y'all with me and show y'all a week in my life or what I do basically. Like, yeah, that's essentially what I'm gonna do this entire week. I just take a lot wrong with me. Like, I have never did a full week in my life. I always did like a couple days in my life or like prep with me, but I've never done like this is what I be doing daily. So this week, since I have a lot, like this is a really busy week for me, I was like, okay, cool, let me take y'all with me and show y'all a couple things. I might happen in a little adventure. I know tomorrow night is karaoke. I might go do that. Y'all might come along. I don't know. I just want to get some content out because all the vlogs I was planning for the past like 2 weeks, just there wasn't enough footage. It wasn't enough content. And I'm like, my group chat basically kept saying it don't matter what I put out, like it don't matter what I put out as long as I put out something. Obviously I'm a big person over quality over quantity. Like I don't want to just give y'all footage, good at footage, and then just because I want to keep posting on my YouTube. Like I actually want it to be full. I want it to have meaning, you know what I mean? Like I want it to have context, depth. Like I don't want to just give y'all content just because I have content on my phone. Like I don't believe in just content dumping because I want to, I want my YouTube to be successful. Like, no, I still want y'all to watch through every video and enjoy it without like it feel like I'm being rushed or the video is being rushed. You know what I mean? But I don't want to ramble too much. I'm about to get ready to go. I have to go to the post office today. And then after the post office, I have to go to St. Thomas for work. So I'm just going to like vlog all of that. I had a wig on literally for 2 weeks. Vlogged that. Barely got any footage like that whole week of me with getting my lashes done and my wig. So literally, as you can see, the lashes are falling off. I need a fill, and the wig came off my head. So footage that I probably would do again some other time, but that was a wrap. I'm just gonna take y'all, and it's a realistic weekend of life for me. So yeah, let me go be ready for this day. I ended up on a date. I got some empanadas. She got all this, and then her half drunken margarita.
Oh no, we have another one coming. Don't ever sleep on the margarita. They come. Sleep on the margarita.
She literally ordered another one. Yeah, I babysitting. Okay, let me stop.
I like to drink with
The burrito.
Try it again. Okay.
I like to drink with lip, it's so great. I like to drink with lip, because she gets it down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cleared. We cleaning Michelle's car. This is the update. I'm 2 margaritas in. And I'm gonna show y'all Michelle's car. I'm sitting in the car. Ooh. I'm standing vacuuming out the car, and Michelle come say hi to the vlog.
I don't want.
Ay, Lupita, look at the bathroom.
Ay, mami, el baño no me. So anyway, guys, we want to wait for the bathroom because this is the bathroom. We at the like it's the car wash, and she get her car vacuum up. So that's what we're doing today. Work was fun. I cannot see you. Close this. Oh my god, guys. They got no bathroom. I have a toilet paper. So I have to get some toilet paper from the guys. I got you toilet paper. Don't use all I got, need some. But y'all, this is life. Y'all already know me in the. Y'all already know how it is living over here in the VA. It's kind of ghetto sometimes, but love it. You heard my girl. She said it's very ghetto sometimes.
All the time.
All the time. But we love it here. I can't complain. I love it here.
Paradise, baby.
It's paradise. It really is. But real still. But anyways, I'm gonna check y'all late skirt. Yeah.
So guys, Liv is in the bathroom. She's complaining because there's no light. But the whole time, there's a whole crack in the door to give her fresh sunlight. Like, how could she be ungrateful like that? Like, we in the Virgin Islands. We're right next to a beach, and she complaining about light. She feel like I could see her whole time still no. Y'all can't see shit. Pause it.
The vlog.
I was snitching on you.
Oh gosh, she was talking about me.
The vlog knows about you for real now.
The vlog. I don't know what she have to say, but ain't
They
true.
know that you bougie.
Not because y'all the light. The bathroom ain't have no light. Like, what the hell I doing in that bathroom with no light?
It had like, come on, what do I promise you? Plenty songs.
Bro,
like,
she literally said,
Plenty
bro,
song.
she plenty song, plenty song,
Mucho más.
mucho más. You know, he was like, dime, mami. Gracias, mis amores. Gracias, mis amores. Gracias. Anyway, y'all.
Who told you to unplug my seatbelt?
No, I didn't. Paula did that. I never touched it. He probably did to clean the car. What she want about what going on with the seatbelt? Just
Que el panty ahorita se te quita. Yo sé que tú eres malito. Y quien te ve no me eres chiquita. Ay, Lupita. Que sí, dame cinturita. Que sí, dame cinturita. Que sí, dame cinturita.
the queen of Eden, I'm in love with Yadi. Real bad man, I'm in a shot. Straight jeans, cut off foot pants. Everybody have the arms, so we get the gas. Everybody have the arms, so we get the class.
It's rum from that quick dip. Some sanitary cup in the plastic bag.
Somebody get ice. Not nice.
Get the white, the red, the overproof.
The tonic wine. Everywhere we party. Everywhere we
Soundbox longer than push bro. She want murder, she want NCPT, what the chicken food soon. Drive that Martex push through. When it cheap, you madam ask me a wish bro.
y'all check the Cybertruck.
That's for the cook food.
Crazy. Not nice. Intellectual man, people understand. Kakam, man, like Remington.
Fully charge up, eager to kill a man, rock the gang, finish gun, pussy, and pick your man.
What we say?
And a 17, watch up in this 45, click me card, it now miss me finger, move shift, me gun, them now stick.
Copy, them sick. Give me my money. Give me my money. Just give me my money. Just give me my money. Give me your money. Alright.
How do you know about fun man shit?
Nigga, I like fucking boy. What's your girl go like? What's that bike boy? Like the bike boy.
Want it now, yeah, want everything. Come kill everybody up in your yard.
What's on the man in the car? And you tomato and garlic. She found a rice, she found a sausage. So when she ball up to my phone, she can't see honey. When I get the figure of a fat punani. Bitch,
See nobody like that. Me and mine, she want to give me wine ass. Top make her really want to bring it right back. And if you're dirty, good, you need to sign up. Must be baby, I got the body of a goddess. So she obsessed with the body. The lip pussy tight down, addict. They get the right on the back.
so she wanna have fun tonight.
About the man, make a dream them come like me.
Hold me like this,
Think deep on the mind, but baby, really learn for right. Play about the wealthy. Cause say you never cross the
She wanna feel it cocky.
You wanna feel it? Hard and stiff. Y'all, we quoted Jerry for the rest of 2024. Jerry and Derek Morgan, you have us. You have us. We basically, we in Kingston. Right now, we in Strawberry Hills.
Babe, I wanna feel your cocky.
Okay, crap. Bahama Mami. Hey, ¿qué pasa? Mira, dime.
¿Qué es eso?
¿Qué eso? No.
¿Qué lo que?
¿Qué es lo que? Bien.
Agua.
Oh, wow, went crazy. A little bit too much fun right now. But we're at
Margaritas right now.
only dos margarita. Only two. Uno, dos. Ooh, everybody over here puffing real. Maybe she should join them.
I tell Chico, hit it giant.
Oh, see, baby? Hit what? We're not doing that on this channel. This channel, we are. It's legal here, but I censored it on my channel because YouTube is not legal. But, anyways, I passed on a nice cemetery.
What?
That's a cemetery. The Cookie Point Cemetery.
It actually is a nice cemetery.
That's what I said. It's a pretty cemetery. Like, who?
It is.
Y'all don't want to die by a beach?
I would like for you to put my remains on a beach.
Yeah, I don't want to die on the beach. I would rather like. Anyways, this is a lot going on for the channel, but
Yeah.
we're going to Cookie Point right now.
Vibes, straight vibes. We're going to go hang out with the drug dealers and the killers.
Okay, hang up this vlog expeditiously.
I am not YouTube friendly.
Yeah, she just be talking. But quite frankly, I feel like this is the part of YouTube y'all be wanting to see. Y'all be wanting to see me just be raw and wild. And I be so cutesy and bougie on my channel, but this the real me.
No time for that.
You be vibing.
I tell you, BFFR.
Be freaking for real.
Literally.
But, no, yeah.
But it don't have nobody on it.
That's a great thing. I don't want nobody on this damn beach. Pay this man
wish
$5 for what?
I wish
Yeah,
you
we
had
can pay
games.
$5 for parking.
Not over here. And I will pipe up.
No, not like over here. Not over there where we went. We want to go to the bar. Anyways, yeah. I ain't trying to get copyrighted or whatever they do nowadays.
Just enjoy this
Montage.
That's the word.
What y'all doing? Vlogging?
Yeah.
In a vlog?
You want to say hi to the vlog? Anyways, we on the beach. I'll see y'all later because they both play some copyrighted music. Really rainy because we're getting a tropical storm soon. But this is Cookie Point. At Cookie Point. It's okay, my hair isn't lady then. But we're at Cookie Point. And we're just people watching, realistically.
We bad bitch watching.
We just see our baddie.
Amazing.
She look good.
Her body.
Body, yeah. Shake that, shake that, shake that.
Even Dr. Miami.
Nah, she went Miami for that. She went Turkey. Turkey do baby else.
Good?
I don't know about that, but they do baby else. They don't
It's
have.
definitely, let me not even. I'm not going to say it.
It don't give no DR though.
That's what I was going to
It
say.
give Miami.
But I was
Miami.
going to say the DR, they call the house in the basement.
The DR cousins.
You know, they get them the
Y'all know if y'all go to DR and get your body done and this is by your cousin house, it don't look good. We just say that, you know, it don't
It'll
look good.
sit wrong.
But when you go to like the professionals in DR, your body do be looking good. If y'all
It
go
do
to
be
like
looking.
Mr. Miami and Dr. Miami them, and the
Dr.
Miami brothers
Dominican
them,
Republic.
they be giving.
He be
They
eating all
giving
up.
Brazilian.
They giving, ooh, foreigner.
Ooh, where your body done from?
It's giving
Me like.
exotic. You know, not toxic.
It don't
exotic.
get not toxic, exotic.
Exotic.
You know what I'm saying?
It's a difference.
There's a big difference.
You gotta put a big, not toxic. Exotic.
We gonna put it on the caption. Imagination. Okay, so today is Tuesday, the next day, and there's a storm coming, like a big storm, like a hurricane type vibes. We in like storm effects. School closed down, the boat stopped running, businesses closed. Whole like I can't even say island wide, but like all islands, everybody in effect for a storm tomorrow. So we've been prepping. So I'm about to show you what we're going to do to prep because some of y'all don't know what's the prep for a hurricane. The one for the bathroom because yeah, but where this water look like that? Hold on. The bucket's up and I'm about to show you the battery packs that we charge in, solar panel battery packs. To like keep our phones and stuff charged when power gone. Because we don't know when power goes again. First one. And this the second one. See? Charging up in the sun. Cut down all the grass and thing. I see like all the trees, bigger trees that go fall. We like cut them and thing. So that's what the weather looks like. Ain't storming or nothing. This is the calm before the storm. You know how they always say that. This is the calm before the storm. This is always the calm before the storm. Like it'll get terrible. But I'm gonna just keep I updated. I postpone. Me ain't been through like a serious storm in the islands in years. Like when I say yo, this is why I don't live in the States. Because storm down here is basically is mash up, is everything broken. I see the windows and stuff buried it up so it don't gush in, close up everything. But yeah, I can see the back. I see that it's literally, this is the week in my life vlog. You would have think my week in my life had come from partying yesterday to a storm today. Like it's not even today, it's starting tonight and it's going into tomorrow all day and potentially into Thursday. So we're going to be dealing with this for like 2 days. So I ain't gotta work. All my stuff for work and everything cancelled and rescheduled till after the storm. They closed school down. Keep in mind, our school just opened last week. So the fact that them children only been in school for a week and they done close because of the storm is crazy. But I wanted to show you what the weather looking like. And yeah, to try to vlog as much as I can, but this is kind of a funny week in a life, because what kind of week in a life is this? And literally a storm happening. We did go grocery shopping a little bit, not too much. I just get like my snacks like Doritos and juice and some eggs and fill up the buckets of water to beer, because you gotta beer. But yeah, we have like our drinking water and everything. So yeah, that's what's going on. It's a category 1 tropical storm, cyclone. You get all kind of variations. But yeah, that's what I'm dealing with this week. So I'll see how you whenever I pick up my camera again. I stack up on repellent, like bug repellent, bro. Mosquitoes ain't coming for me. 2 of them, 2 different brands. Full, well, halfway full, but look, full, basically full. 2 of them we gotta stack up, because when rain fall and storm come, mosquito have no sense of leaving people alone. So even on a regular, they'll be biting by, you know, when storm season is there, mosquito don't know to leave people alone. So stack up. Make sure y'all stack up, because the kiddos are out. Okay, the kiddos gonna come out and bite at you. So I stack up. Yeah, bite 2 of them. And the bands, the mosquito bands. So throughout the storm, no mosquitoes getting me at all. But anyways, I better go charge my phone, because they might take power tonight, and I'm gonna charge my iPad and I'm gonna charge my phone, and I'm gonna download some stuff so I could watch, so I could be entertained in this time. Yeah. Which movies I want to watch? So I want to watch Ratatouille. So we're gonna download Ratatouille. I love Cars. That's one of my favorite childhood movies. And then we're also going to download Moana. If I could find it, I would download just all my favorite kids these movies. So we're going to definitely download Coco. I don't know why this damn cat over here attacking my pants. What's wrong with you? And I could watch this, but I don't want to watch this. Where is Moana? Anyway, we're gonna look for Moana. I should download Fantastic Mr. Fox. This is a great movie. I like this movie a lot, so we're gonna download this too. But I'm just downloading. I'm on Disney Plus. Are you downloading all my favorite movies? Yeah, because this time I'm not gonna be bored in this storm. I put my iPad to charge, as I can see. We're gonna download all these movies. I don't know how much space my iPad have for all of this, but hopefully my iPad could download all the movies. And then I also downloaded, let me see how on my Netflix. Yeah, I downloaded The Troll. Come here, watch this. And I download I love El Dorado. That's one of my favorite kids movies. So I'm downloading these 2 as well, so I could be entertained. So hopefully Disney don't fail me and all these movies here download. And yeah, that's what we're going to have all this Ratatouille, Cars, Coco, this Moana, boop and boop. Download all my movies. And it's crazy because you download a bunch of kid movies, children movies. Like, when you tell me watch a movie to recommend on Netflix, I'll put on El Dorado for you. Please don't play. That's a great movie. Yes, I want to download my movies, and I will see y'all later. When the storm happening, or when it tries to happen. See you later though. Bye. I don't know if I could hear me. Can't hear the wind. And we don't have no power, and there's like one little kerosene lamp. my own self alike. But I'm going to try to go to sleep because the wind decides to be the star of the show. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog because this is pretty crazy. That my vlog will turn into a whole hurricane. It's not a storm anymore. It turned to a hurricane category 1, 2. Well, so that's all I could say, guys. Anyways, I'm about to go to sleep. Toodles. It's the next day. Try to show you the storm without me blowing away. Oh, God. Look at it, look how tired and cold the window car. It literally is terrible right now. The worst last night. Last night I barely slept. Like, it's like 8 a.m. right now. But I barely slept. Around like, I went to sleep around 10. And that's when the wind had really started kicking up. Around like 12, 1 a.m. Y'all would I swear it was God himself outside on my window fighting. I'm like, what is this, dog? I couldn't sleep, but I put my AirPods in and I play some music. That's all I needed to take care of myself. Power is still gone. Power been gone since like 8 yesterday. It's been exactly 12 hours since power has been gone. So yeah, we're just going to try to survive another 12 hours. Hopefully power could come back, but I am trying to open this window too much before it flies outside. So I'll say I am on another update whenever the next update is.
And what I have there too big, so I was going to sit right in all of the slides.
She just said she wanted in.
She wants in so she can get out.
Ah, got it. Why?
Think you're the only ones who dream of better things?
That's why you say it's battery. I want to get the right pussy.
I decided to leave the house for a little while just to show y'all what we're dealing with. This branch here break. All these branches over here break. Everything gone up, so everything broken, but the sun coming up. That's it. The sun coming up. Outside, I'm trying to get some service. Cause we have no service. Womp womp. So my father told me to come down here to get some service. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. That's why I'm outside my house, but pretty much the storm is calmed down, and it shouldn't pick up speed, but if it does, I'm right back inside my house. But I see, like, that's what we're dealing with right now. Shower the water. This is how the beach looking like. Completely change color. Pretty much gone far. I see we could see St. Thomas from over here, but I just want some service. Wow. Listen to the wind howl. It's like howling. It sounds like a jet. You hear it? But it's the wind in the sky howling. I'm literally just walking back, check the braking train thing. walking on the other side of my neighborhood right now to see what's going on before more rain start to fall. But yeah, try to hold my body down. But it's pretty quiet now. You can see the sun. I don't know if y'all can see the sun right here. You'll kind of see the sun. The water is what I want to show you. House right here. But yeah, look at the water. Right. All there. Gone, my son. Gone. And these damn seagulls making noise. Check the split of the current. That's it, the current split. Crazy. Where like a tornado blew through here. Y'all do not want to see what I'm wearing. This is not exploring outfit clothes. But I ain't trying to step on no debris or nothing. I just exploring. Don't do this, guys. Don't be exploring during a storm. Explore after the storm is gone. That's how you're supposed to help. That's how you're supposed to properly explore when the storm is gone. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is out. The wind's still kind of howling. I took a shower. And I'm in my Miu little dress. I know y'all can hear the wind howling, but I'm just going to get some service down the road, make a few calls, talk to my mom, and yeah, this is the update of what's going on. I'll come back and I got mangoes.